Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've had a couple of you that asked me to talk about what exactly was the update that was pushed to the Apple devices yesterday, iPhone, Mac OS, Apple Watch, and so on. And I usually don't talk about updates for Apple that are not security, but since I've got a few of you that have asked me, maybe I should start talking about it a little more. So the updates that were pushed yesterday are to fix bugs in the iOS operating system mostly, and the Apple operating system. What's happening is that users were complaining, two big issues actually. A lot of users were complaining about battery drain, which was not really nice. It drained a lot more than usual, and so that was the first complaint. But there was also an issue about Apple Pay. When you were actually going to use your phone or your watch to tap and pay for something, sometimes it failed, and it seemed that it was a glitch in the operating system. So this is two of several bug fixes for devices, both for the for Apple, for your Apple Watch, for your iPhone, iPads, and so on. So these are what are being pushed to kind of fix all sorts of little bugs. There's no security updates. A lot of you out there were saying anything security. If it would have been security, I would have talked about it immediately. But because it's bug fixes, at first I didn't think about talking about it. But I guess the interest is there because I've got several of you asking me. So probably I'll incorporate this in the future, even if it's bug fixes. I'll talk about it. As you know, we're Windows computers and technology. So it's not just Windows; it's also technology, which includes Apple devices and others. So hope that you enjoy that. We can add this content also. So bug fixes, and like I said, mostly Apple Pay, which was one of the big ones, and battery drain in iPhones and iPads. That was a problem also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and if you wish me to continue doing updates on even the bug fixes for Apple devices, let me know in the comments.